Hello students, today we'll discuss about a topic from democratic politics, that is political parties. Okay? So political party क्या होती है? Political party is a group of people who come together to contest election to form a government. Political party is a group of people who come together to contest elections to form a government. Every political party used to do so in every 5 years. We have elections of different types. We have 3 levels of elections are there in a country. You often seen about Lok Sabha election to run prime minister, to elect prime minister and member of parliament. Then we have Vidhan Sabha elections and local self-governing bodies, that is Panchayati Raj and municipal corporation elections. So in this election every political party used to follow the same criteria. So political party की definition ये हो गई. After it will come to the components of political parties. Political party having 3 different components: the leaders, active members and followers. You can see that in every political party, say Bharatiya Janata Party, you have seen often Mr. Narendra Modi and Amit Shah, and there are some topmost leaders are there who used to guide the policies and programs, who make the policies and program for a country, for his party. Then active members are there. In every political party, some active members are there who follow the guidelines given by the leaders. Then you have the other group of people that is called followers. What is followers? Who are followers? Followers are the core member of the political parties. Active members try to increase the number of followers. Every political party, the leaders and active members try to increase their number of followers, so that if the elections are there, in that election these followers cast their vote for their favor. This helps the political party to form a government. Now come back to the part functions of political parties. What political party used to do is, first of all, they contest election. You can see that is one of the important tasks of political parties, to contest election to form a government. Then you have policies and programs. After contesting election, if political party wins the election, then they form a government and run their policies and programs for the country. They used to make laws in the parliament. Political parties, basically ruling party, used to make laws in the government for the people's welfare. Then you have form and run government. That you can see that one of the important part of the political party is they used to form and run the government. Then you have shape public opinions. This is one of the important tasks of political parties. They used to shape public opinions. How political parties shape public opinions? In every political party, you can see that active members and followers are there. These active members and followers are found in almost all part of the country. If the political party is a national party, they raise day-to-day issues to form opinion about the political parties. You can see that in every areas, you can see the heard about dharnas, strikes, rallies and etc. These activities are often run by the political parties. They used to come in television and take part in public debates. In this debate, you can see that they raise their issue, they raise people's issue in front of it. So by seeing this issue, political people form opinion about the political parties. If the opinion is favorable, they form a government. Those political party who form a government, they are called ruling parties. Rest of the parties who fail to form a government are called opposition parties. Another important task of political party is to access government machinery and welfare schemes. Those political party who run the government, they used to utilize government resources and welfare and make welfare programs for the people. Stop.